Are you looking for that high-tech superstar of a stock that pays you an ever-increasing dividend, trading in value territory that you can count on for decades to come? Then Lam Research is the company for you. Let's take a look. US-based global supplier to all the biggest chip manufacturers in the world, critical component to the semiconductor manufacturing process. If the road to AI era is paved in semiconductor manufacturing, which we think it is, you can design it, but if you can't make it, if you don't have the components, the machinery, the know-how to make it, you're lost. So if the road to the AI era is paved in the semiconductor manufacturing process, then LRCX or Lam Research is a key component company that you're going to want to have a part of. So Lam Research, critical maker of semiconductor equipment, materials, scientific equipment, machines, critical player. They've been around for a long time. They're going to be around for a long time to come. 94 billion market cap company, 1.25% dividend yield. So they're going to pay you something to hang on to it. And that dividend is going up and up and up. It's been going up for over 10 years at this point in time. So the time to get in is situations like now, where it's trading in value territory. Recent news on ASML, a competitor and another company in the critical semiconductor manufacturing process, stumbled a bit in the recent weeks and dragged the whole sector down with it. Creates a fantastic buying opportunity for companies just like Lam Research. Massive R&D budget. I tell you, this company, I can't say enough about it. They back in May, they initiated a $10 billion stock repurchase program. It shows huge confidence that management and the board has in the direction and focus of Lam Research into the future. That's just huge, and this is something you want to be a part of. Let's see, what other good facts? 15 billion revenue and growing, and it keeps growing. Cash flow is massive, $4.65 billion in cash flow. Strong balance sheet, again, heavy R&D spending. Another interesting component, it's been the subject of some congressional buying recently as well. So that's always something that perks up my attention when the Congress people step in and start buying. They usually have some insight that the rest of us don't. So keep that in mind as well. Competitors in the space too are all kind of teed up. Applied Materials, KLA Corp, Amkor Technology. These are all great companies, but Lam is probably one of the cream of the crops, and it's trading in that value territory right now. Hey, it's down 7% year to date from a high of 113 to 72-ish right now. This is the time to start building a position in something that you're never going to sell. You're going to hang on to it and buy and accumulate more on dips. I know they have an earnings release coming up in just a couple of days. If it goes down more, I'm buying more. This is how it goes. I want in on Lam, and I think you're going to as well. This is a Millionaire Maker portfolio edition. It's a holding of mine. You're going to want to have it as well. Remember, their biggest clients are TSM, Intel, Samsung, Micron, supplying all the equipment necessary for them to make their state-of-the-art chips. And you know this group is the leaders going forward. Again, earnings release is coming up, but you can get in now, nibble away. If we get some good positive news, it's going to pop. If they meet expectations or don't beat it by enough, you're going to have another buying opportunity. But get yourself ready. we've got a big future ahead with Lam Research. This is one you can't miss out on. Add it to your portfolio like I have, and you'll never look back. Talk to you again soon.